Hi, I'm Sean, owner of Floor Concepts. And I've kind of always been in this industry for a long time. High school and college was mainly a helper. I did a lot of different trades from flooring to drywall to kitchen installations to roofing. And I think that really taught me a lot about the value of hard work and how to do things the right way and how to make a customer happy. I got this opportunity to purchase Floor Concepts, and because of my background, I thought it was just a really good fit. Yeah, so a typical day looks like for me is really helping the team out with various projects that they're working on and making sure that we have the right customer experience throughout, whether it's contacting manufacturers to make sure that we get the best price, or talking to our install teams about things that are popping up throughout the day. I like to really stay engaged with the projects that are going on and making sure that everything's going as smoothly as possible. My team here is really great and I love working with them every day. I think that's what really makes this company as the people that we have to make sure that everything goes smoothly, and my job is really to support them and what they're doing. Really, like, my passion here and the reason why I do all this is because of my kids and my family. I'm really passionate about them and spending time with them as much as I can. I have 2 little girls and a wife that I love, and really do this for them, and want to have them see the example of growing a business and doing the right thing for your customer and your community, and that's really what I'm here for. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you soon.